In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make sure that the customer's first name and the last name are both required during the checkout process in Shopify. If you notice that the first name is marked as optional, as you can see in this example, it's most likely due to the settings issue. So in this video, I'll quickly show you the checkout settings you can adjust to ensure both fields are mandatory during the checkout process. So let's get started. At first, let's log into Shopify admin account. Now click on settings, which are located at the bottom left corner, and then look for checkout. Within the checkout settings, scroll a bit down till you find the customer information section right here. Make sure to enable the second option right here, require first and last name, and now make sure to save the changes. After you save the settings, make sure to allow a minute or two for the changes to update in the system, and then go back to checkout and try refreshing it. And as you can notice, the first name is no longer optional. In fact, if I click on continue shipping, you will see that the first name and the last name are now both required. So that's all I want to show you in this short video. I hope you found it helpful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.